Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to simplify this math problem 32 to the power 5 minus 64 to the power 4 is equal to what? Calculator not allowed. Okay. Is equal to 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 whole to the power this 5 minus 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6 whole to the power this 4 is equal to, now we know an exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 2 to the power 5 times 5 is 25 minus 2 to the power 6 times 4 is 24 is equal to 2 to the power, now this 25 can be written as 24 plus 1 minus 2 to the power 24 is equal to, again an exponential formula, we know a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 2 to the power 24 times 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 24 is equal to, now taking count 2 to the power 24, here we will get 2 to the power 1, that means 2 minus here we will get 1 is equal to 2 to the power, now this 24 can be written as 20 plus 4 times 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to, now apply this formula. Here we can write 2 to the power 20 times 2 to the power 4, now this 1 is equal to 2 to the power 20 can be written as 10 times 2 times 2 to the power 4 is 16 is equal to, now we can write here 2 to the power 10 square times 16 is equal to, now we know that 2 to the power 10 is 1024, so we can write here 1024 square times 16 is equal to, now 1024 can be written as 1000 plus 24 whole square times 16 is equal to, now here we can use a algebraic formula, so we can write here 1000 square plus 24 square plus 2 times 1000 times 24, now this 16 is equal to, we know 1 square, that means 1 with 6 zeros plus 24 square, that means 576 plus 2 times 24 is 48 with 3 zeros multiplying 16 is equal to, now adding this 3 number we will get 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 times, now this 16 can be written as 10 plus 6 is equal to, now 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 times 10 plus 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 times 6, here we will get 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 with this 0 plus here we will get 6 2 9 1 4 5 6, now adding this 2 number we will get 1 6 777,216, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.